Very exciting. I am headed now down to Bwindi Impenetrable National Forest. And when you go on a gorilla trekking, you're going to hop on one of these little inter-domestic flights. Very exciting. All right, welcome to Kahiki Airstrip. I just landed from Entebbe, and we are here on our way going to Bwindi Impenetrable National Forest and Kibale National Park, where we're going to do chimp trekking and gorilla trekking. As you can see, we come in on a little flight. This is what you fly in on when you do a fly-in safari from Entebbe coming from Kampala. But here we are, and we're headed now to our lodge to get ready and do some rest before we head for gorilla trekking tomorrow. So here we are, getting closer to the lodge here in Bwindi Impenetrable National Forest. We're going to show you some incredible shots there, but I did want to give you a little bit of a view of what kind of conditions you're able to see as you drive and as you go to the forest for your gorilla and chimpanzee trip. And I'm excited to say that we are here in Bwindi Impenetrable National Forest in southwestern Uganda. And I'm here with a ranger and guide of the Forest Service who actually takes tourists on gorilla trekking adventures. And he's going to help share with us some basic information about the gorilla trekking experience. How long has gorilla trekking been available right here in Bwindi Impenetrable Forest?
Gorilla trekking has been there for since 1991. They started tracking.
And how many people will go in one trekking experience?
Each group must be having 8 people, maximum of 8 people.
So it's a pretty unique and intimate experience. And once you find the group of gorillas, how long do the tourists get to sit and observe the family of gorillas?
All the tourists are supposed to be with gorillas for just 1 hour because you need to give them ample time to eat and also have their privacy.
A lot of our guests and future clients are wondering, geez, it sounds dangerous. Is it safe to go visit the gorillas?
It is very safe, and for those who don't understand habituation, it means very peaceful contact between human beings and gorillas.
The good folks of the Uganda Wildlife Service have introduced a program that's called habituation. And what it does is it introduces human beings to be able to get up close and see these magnificent behaviors without being in harm's way.
And it takes 2 to 3 years for a group to be used of people or to be fully habituated.
So there it is. It's safe. Thanks for joining me, Emmanuel. Appreciate your help.
Thank you very much. I encourage everyone to come here and enjoy with us. And they're also supporting conservation.
All right, this is the time. We're on our way on the trail to find the gorillas. Today we've been informed that we are going to see the Mukisi family, which is a large family of gorillas, about 20 members. And so come along, we're going to hit the trail and we're going to go find these beautiful animals. We're only 20 or 30 minutes away from the Mukisa family, so we're almost there. I am no more than 6 feet away from this mother and baby. It's amazing to watch the behaviors of the baby as it observes us. There's no sign of danger. And here we are. This mother just went right behind me. And then she's going to join the silverback. It's so amazing to be so up close and to be in their world. They are not afraid of us. A silverback. This is how close you can get when you come gorilla trekking. Right up close to the silverback, the mother and the baby. If you haven't ever thought that you could get close to these amazing creatures, you can do it by coming to Uganda and joining us on one of our gorilla trekking adventures and safaris. We hope you'll come and enjoy us soon.